How to recover lost Brawl Stars account. First things first, grab your device and open up either Safari or Google browser in the search bar. Type in Brawl Star support and hit enter. Look for the official Brawl Stars support link. It should say something like how to contact us on the new page. You'll see three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Click on those lines to open a menu, then select account. Now you'll see a list of account-related options. Click on Recover Your Account. You'll be given choices. Choose the one that fits your situation. If you lost your account, I lost my account, depending on your selection, you'll be guided through a series of steps to verify your identity and recover your account. Just follow the instructions carefully. Once you've completed the steps and your account is verified, you'll be back in the world of Brawl Stars in no time. So there you have it. That's the simple process to recover your lost Brawl Stars account. Just follow these steps and you'll be back in action in no time.